So alright guys, finally we're gonna do the unboxing of this mobile, which is from Vivo Y51a, and this variant is the 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM guys. So before unboxing today's video guys, I want to just show you the specification for this device, and as well as if you want to buy this device, I'll be giving its link in the description below of both Amazon and Chroma as well. Alright guys, so now let me show you all the specifications before unboxing this mobile phone. So first of all, this is the front cover. If you open your your cover of your phone, then it will look like this. Like before opening the phone, it will be looking like this. This is the cover itself. So it will be a little heavy because the phone and the other things are inside. So this shows up the RAM, and so this is the variant which I have, as I told you. And alright, so this is the side. So behind is the specification. If you guys can see, there's 5000 mAh battery, which means it will last for around 16 to 17 hours on use, and in talk time I guess it will be 33 hours maximum. And it has a 18-watt fast charger, which is a Type-C charger, not a micro USB. So keep in mind that. This has 3 cameras. So this is your 8 megapixel rear camera, then your 8 megapixel camera, and your 2 megapixel. So this has a really good camera, and for that reason we have bought the phone. Alright, so this also has an ultra stable video, meaning whenever you create a video, right, this phone which I'm creating a video, I guess this will be more stable and more clear as well. And as well as this has side fingerprint, meaning on your side you need to do a fingerprint, not in your back, either in your front. Anyway guys, now let's do unboxing. Alright guys, so give me 1 second. Alright guys, so I have got it's a little opening over here, so I'll open it fully now guys. So as you guys see, I'm opening it guys, and as you guys already saw at the starting of the video, if you're new to my channel then you must subscribe and also press the notification bell to receive latest videos and daily updates. As well as press the like button if you're enjoying the video till now. Anyway guys, now let me show you a little. Guys, you guys see, this is the phone and this is the Vivo. Alright, I told you. So now to open this, you just need to do like a little twist. You have to push it down. So just be a little careful because you know your phone. So I'm doing this on the bed because it's more safe. So yeah, guys, just give me 1 second. I'll just try opening it. Alright guys, I actually found out that this is really tough. So and I just found out there was a cover over here, and I was not that focused on removing the cover, and I was just thinking I will open it. So before opening, you have to just remove this things. Right, as I told you, remove it out. I removed it out. This is the sticker, so I'm just throwing this away. Alright, so now it will be easy to remove the phone. Alright guys, I have opened the phone, and I guess this is the manual of your Vivo Y51a. And yeah, okay, so we have to, there's a top thing, you have to just pull this up, and then this is your smartphone anyway. And so this is all your manuals. If I'll just show you, this is the manual. Alright, and this is your temporary cover for your mobile. So I guess this will be good for because we have not exactly got the cover for this phone. So I guess this will go for the main purpose right now. And this is your SIM opener, meaning if you have a SIM, like if you want to attach your SIM of your phone, then you can just take this, open your SIM, and then you can just press it. Alright, so we can just remove this out. Okay. Yeah, it's like this. So this is the SIM holder. Well, I'll keep the SIM holder with ourselves because this is really important. Alright, so we now keep this aside, and I will be just showing you guys a little more on 1 second. Yeah. So guys, 1 second, I'm just adjusting the camera. Anyway guys, so this is the phone itself, and this is the cover guys. If you guys want to see, this is the cover. Alright, and we'll keep the cover aside, and now we'll be opening the phone. So opening the phone, I guess, yeah, so this is the phone. So this is the front of the phone guys, right? This shows something which is written, do not block the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. Okay, alright. So now we'll slowly open this. So I'll just move this aside, right? I'll slowly open this out, and yeah, slowly we'll open this out guys because it's very precise. So before that, I'll just show the back of the phone. This is the 3 cameras which I'm showing you. This has triple cam, right? And this has micro HD, nano SIM, and nano SIM. Anyway guys, we'll just open it. Alright, so it's opening from sides guys. And yeah, we opened it finally. Oh my god, you guys just see how beautiful it is. I mean, it's legendary. it's like really OP. Alright, so this is the open button, and oh my gosh, this looks so OP in my hands. Like literally, it's so nice. And okay guys, so now let me discuss about the phone. So first let's put this for safety. So I guess this is how you put it, right? Yeah, alright, I just put it very careful. There you go. I guess there's something which is over here. I just need to pull this plastic out, or yeah, this thing. Can this be removed? I don't think so this will be removed, guys, so let it just be like this. Okay guys, so yeah, let this be like this. So now let me show you about the phone. This is the back cover. As you guys see, it's in Vivo, and so it's the cameras which you guys see. This is the 48 megapixel, the 8 megapixel, and the 2 megapixel camera. So it has triple camera, and yeah, it looks really OP. This has a front, it has also a selfie camera which you guys, I guess you guys can't see. So yeah, you guys just see this thing up here. This is a camera over here, alright? So this is the phone itself, so we'll just keep the phone aside for now, and yeah, get the things aside as well. And yeah, so let me just show you now the charger. So this is the charger. As you guys see, this is a charger for the 15 watt fast charging from current. Or no, actually it's 18 watt fast charging. So this has also your your ear in the earpods. It looks pretty similar to the Apple's one, but it's by Vivo, so you know there's obviously a difference. So yeah, there you go. This is the headphone, guys, as you guys see. So it's pretty similar to Apple, as you guys see. It's pretty similar, but yeah, that's anyway, this will be useful as well. And now let me show you the legendary Type-C charger. So I guess I'm a new user to Type-C, so I've not ever experienced it. So yeah, I guess this will be pretty interesting to see how will this go. Alright, so I'll not be setting up the phone, because the setting of the phone I'll be doing some other videos. So I'll just show the unboxing in this video, guys. So this is the Type-C charging. As you can see, this is the charging, right? And yeah, that's I guess it. So what you need to do, you have here this thing. So I'll just keep it inside for safety. And yeah, what you need to do is just attach this over here. Charging, and it's just simple. It's just like a micro USB. And the benefit of this is like it can be placed like in any manner. So this is your charging port, right? So you can either press it like this, or you can also do it with your opposite. Ta-da! Because Type-C is like really advanced, so it's I guess very good. Anyway guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this short unboxing video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friends for more support. Also, if you want to check this phone description, I'll be giving down in the description box. Till then, peace out, bye bye, take care and stay at home.